What's up, guys? Back in the wood shop, and yesterday I took a break. As you can see, I'm suffering from a little bit of solar erythema, or better known as a sunburn. And my friend Kevin from Ripperz hit me up and asked if I wanted to go out on the bass boat, and I obviously said yes to get me out of the wood shop. So here's some footage. Enjoy. I'm certainly not new to fishing. I've been fishing my whole life, but this was my first time bass fishing. Kevin told me we're gonna go ahead and hit up some beds to see if we can agitate the bass and get them to strike.
I got one, bro.
In a matter of minutes, Kevin was reeling them in faster than I could even grab my phone and film. We were using some larger crankbait that was seemingly doing the trick. But I felt Kevin had a little trick up his sleeve since he was pulling them in 3-1.
Oh yeah.
And I never actually got one on the boat. Hooked 3, almost pulled 2 in, but lost them both.
Well, first one. Not bad.
Well, at least I know for next time. I'm gonna have to season my lures in Ripperz love sauce and come correct with a Bass Dynasty shirt and a hat so that I can at least make the board. If you want to check out Kevin and his brother on Instagram, check out Bass Dynasty as well as Ripperz Inc. If you like what you saw, wait around for my next post. Share it with your friends. Send it to your mother. Hit the subscribe button. Until then, I will see you next time.